floor.
There's, unless you draw the stuff out of him, there's no conversation.
Voila!
Yeah. That's terrific.
Alright, here's Spinwood collection, table to cabinet, and it also rolls. Made in the Netherlands out of spruce wood. We also have our Spinwood table bench. Really nice, made out of mahogany, indoor, outdoor, and weatherproof. Again, both made in the Netherlands. And then we have our Italian collection. Every piece transitions different from the wide step. So whether it is a step stool that pops out of a chair, or a folding, which is just the with step stool, it's very easy. This one is and our Italian collection is beechwood, multiple heights and widths. Everything will also stand on its own as well. So this little what's left tonight? And then it has a side on that side too.
So when you put it back up, okay. Just tilt it up. Yeah.
That's easier.
Tilt. Oh, the rug is terrible.
So that's your unit. And then when you get the wide, if you have a
Go like so, the sofa dies in, and down comes the bed.
Okay.
And then upper bar, down comes the bed. It has a soft cooling mechanism.
Yeah.
And when you go like so, the bed will come down to you, and you can make the bed while you're standing on the floor.
Okay.
It has 7 feet of storage above.
Wow.
It has built-in lighting. It has a full protective barrier, which has a cant to it so that it's structurally very sound. You have a ladder with adjustable steps. Even the steps are adjustable, and leveling feet. So that if you're using it for children, you have a small step.
Yeah.
You can take a step out if you're using it for adults. Because it holds up to like 1,000 pounds a month. There's Oh my goodness. Well, I don't know if you ever took any engineering classes, but it's 3 inches of laser cut and folded and welded steel.
Okay.
And if you remember any of it, every time you fold it, you get like an incremental increase in it. And you just line up a ladder like that, boom. And it is built like a brick, you know? And it has a lifetime warranty. Other than that, it's just cheap furniture. You know, we have people buy 4 at a time for a bunker and save 600 square feet of construction.
Right.
You know, I had a customer, an architect, brought the customer in. They were building a house in the Hamptons.
Yeah. They wanted a bunch of, yeah.
They needed a bunk room, but they had designed a bunk room that was 800 square feet.
Yeah.
And for 8 people, you know, big bunk, big built-in, this, that, the other, you know. And the architect said, look, if we get this, we don't have to go to the town.
Yeah.
We don't have to get a zoning variance.
Yeah.
We can build as of right because we go from 4,600 square feet to 4,100 square feet.
Yeah.
And we can just start building. We're
Right.
done.
Yeah.
And she said, well, how much is it? And he said $30,000. The 500 square feet was $300,000, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, it all made tremendous sense to everybody. She goes, great, let's do it.
Yeah.
You know, and it was like, so, you know, it's everybody that buys these things. Divorced fathers buy them, you know.
Yeah.
You know, look, when you're in New York City, you know, and you're in a 2-bedroom apartment and you have a couple of kids,
Yeah.
now what?
Yeah,
You know,
no, I
you have
know.
something like this, then, you know, everything gets out of the way. The kids have space, you have space. It saves your life.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, sure.
You know, people have told me just like, you know, on an arithmetic basis,
Yeah.
they'll rent a 1-bedroom apartment, put the kids in the bedroom, and the kids in the living room with a sofa like this, right? And then they, you know, or they keep the bedroom. Some people want to keep the bedroom, or they move into the bedroom with a room like this. So now, the difference between a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom in New York is about $3,000 a month.
Yeah.
You know, okay, so that's $36,000 a year. So people have said to me, they rationalize it this way. They go, you know, I'd rather spend $30,000 on the furniture, have at the end of the year $30,000 for the furniture with a lifetime warranty, instead of $30,000 in rent. So, you know, more and more, you know, our furniture makes sense in every kind of situation. It's more remarkable. You know, people that come to the city and they're getting a 1-bedroom, they get a studio and they buy this furniture. They save another $1,500 a month, and they say, okay, in a year I've saved $18,000. Now I have furniture. Maybe if I still want to move to a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom, you know, now I have one furniture for what the rent costs me. So it's really remarkable. I'm telling you, it's remarkable because the furniture is such good quality. So we're here at this lamp. Yeah, this is Melbourne actually, but it's remarkable how good it is. But it's Italian. You know, they know how to do it. And it does all different colors. Yes, it comes in, you know, like 40 lacquer colors. You know, there's options for multicolor panels, patterns that you can do on it, hundreds of fabric, you know. And you can do this without the sofa. With the sofa, it's completely self-standing. In other words, it doesn't attach to the wall, it doesn't attach to the floor. It can be used as a room divider. The sofa integration creates a whole structural balance. Now, you can also do it with a desk that's 7 feet short. Then you have to attach it to the wall. You can do it without a desk, okay, clean, and it has to be attached. We anchor it in the stud. That's all.